biggest monster ever.
Alex, look at the camera and say hi to Maddie. Over here. Come on down.
Hi. Hi.
Okay.
Hi. Me too.
You too? Come here. Emily, come here. This way.
I want to see Maddie.
No, Maddie's not here. You want to say hi?
Her.
Okay. Say hi, Maddie.
Hi.
Hi.
I
Okay.
can see Emily.
Alex, can you get down, buddy? You're going to shake the camera. Okay. Alex, come on. Get down. Okay. Here we go. This is how you make a crane.
Can that one be for me?
Yep. I will give it to you when I'm done. First, you start with the square. Fold.
Can I help?
Let me finish. And open.
Yeah.
And
No,
you fold
too busy.
this way. Just making the lines. And this way. And now you should see a line here, and then the triangular line reversed. Hey, step back. And you fold it this way. See?
Hey Alex, my daddy sent
This.
me.
What?
Show Maddie how to make a paper airplane.
See that?
Dad, can I
Now.
show Maddie how to make a paper
Okay,
airplane too?
When we're done with this one.
Why don't you go get a paper, Alex?
Okay, go. Okay, now the open side here. Just fold it a little bit to get the line. See? Okay.
My bag! Emily's using the permacan marker.
Uh-oh.
Thank you, Alex. Okay, yeah.
Okay. On the open side, fold it, following the line. This is just to get the line. Open up again.
Dad, can I show Maddie
Yeah.
how to see?
Okay, one more time. Like this. Fold it like this. Just to get the lines. Now you should have a triangle here. See? Now, step back, Alex.
Alex, wait till Daddy's all done.
Now you open this first flap. Fold it like this. See?
That's the wing.
Not yet. Now do the same thing for the reverse side.
Mm-hmm.
You draw a line
Draw a line
and another line.
and another line.
And then fold it slightly to get the line here. Now you should have a little triangle. Now you open this flap. And see, as you open this, you fold this in like so. And the lines you've already created should fold correctly. Okay. Now, so you should have something like this. Right?
Right.
Okay. Now, you fold these ends halfway. Like this. And like this. Now you do that on all four sides. See? Used to be like this. I fold this here and here, flip it, and here and here. Now, you can see that this is going to be the wing. For this thing, just fold it all the way back. Not all the way to the top, but enough angle here to give a little bit of a space, and do the same thing on both sides. Like that. Now, one is a tail, one is a head. You can fold this side just a little bit for the head. And open the wings.
You can see the head here.
Can you?
Here.
That's the tail.
Tail, I knew it.
See? There it is. The end.
Now can I make a pink?
Okay, over here, Alex. Make a paper airplane right here. Put the paper right here. Like this, on the side, like this. Put it right here, okay, so Maddie can see it. Okay, Alex is gonna make a paper airplane. Okay, keep going.
Now what?
Yeah, keep going.
This.
Now you fold. Oh, she can't see. You gotta put it over here. Keep your head over there. Okay. Now you gotta explain what you're doing so she can.
And then fold it on the line.
Okay.
And then do the other side. And then fold it inside the line. Dad.
Yeah, keep going. You're doing fine. There you go. There.
And then flip it over, Dad.
Oh, not yet. You remember how it goes, right? Okay, there you go.
And then
And
fold
then,
it.
wait, you have to fold this again. Like this, remember?
And then fold this. And then
You have to do both sides.
and then
And then what?
fold the tummy.
Fold the tummy. And then what?
Flip it over. And then put it on the next line and
Yeah, good
connect
job.
the lines. And then,
Put it over here, Alex.
then
And fold the wings.
fold
Oh, you have
the
to go all the
wing.
way here. All the way to the line. Like
And
that.
all the way to the bottom.
Uh-huh.
And then do the other side.
Cool.
And it's done.
All right, 1 second, Alex, and I'll tape you fly your airplane.
Huh?
Okay, ready?
What?
Ready to fly the airplane?
Yeah.
Okay. Where? Go.
No.
Whoa.
It's not like that.
Oh, okay. Nice.
I look like this.
Oh. Okay. The end. Say bye to Maddie.
Bye.
You're gonna look at it. Say bye.
Bye.
All right. Say bye to Maddie.
Bye.
Cheese.
See?
Cheese.
See?
Say hi, Maddie.
Hi.
Say Maddie. Can you say Emily? Can you say Maddie?
Bye.
Okay. Oh. Well done.